Mathematics. We will continue the lesson Factors and Multiples. Please check the solutions for your previous assignment. First main, write the factor tree for the following numbers. Question number A, 20. So you have written 20 and you have to break down 20 into a pair of factors. So 2 tens are. 2 is a prime number, but 10 is a composite number, so you can break it down 10. So 10 will be split it up into 2 fives. So now you can see 2, 2, 5 all are in prime. So you can write finally 20 equals to 2 into 2 into 5. Factor tree for 20, you can do it as 5 fours also. In the previous sum, I showed you as 2 tens. So if you have done as 5 fours, that is also correct. So if you have done 5 fours, what you have to do? 5 is a prime number. You cannot factorize anymore. So 4 you can break it as 2 twos. So finally you can write it as 20 equals to 2 into 2 into 5, because here 2 twos and 1 5. If you multiply all together, you will get 20. Okay. Next question. Question number B, 32. You have to draw the factor tree for 32. So here you can see I have broken it down into 2 16s. So 2 is a prime number, so we cannot factorize, we will go for 16. So 16 we will split it as 2 8s. Now 8 can be broken down as 2 4s. Now 4 has been broken into pair of factors as 2 twos. So how many twos are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos. So 32 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. If you multiply, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. But we can show the factor tree for 32 in other ways also. So let's check. Here I have taken a pair of factors 4 8s. Yes, 4 8s 32. I know some of you have done like this. So 4 is a composite number, 8 is also a composite number. So if you look at 4, you can break it down as 2 twos. And for 8, you can go for 2 fours. Yes. Now again you got 4. So that 4 also you will break down as 2 twos. So finally you can see all came in terms of 2, and 2 is a prime number. So how many twos are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 twos are there. So we can write it as 32 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. If you multiply, you will get back 32. Yes, let's check. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. So your sum is right. Next question, it's 45. So 45, I have broken down a pair of factors as 3 15s. As 3 is a prime number, we cannot factorize, but for 15 we'll again break it down and we'll take a pair of factor as 3 5s. So finally you will write 45 equals to 3 into 3 into 5. To draw the factor tree for 45, we can take the pair of factors as 9 5s also. I know few of you already have done like this. Who has done like 3 15s, that is also correct. Who has done 9 5s, that is also correct. So here 5 is a prime number. We are not going to factorize, but for 9 we will factorize. It is 3 3s. So finally what we can write? We can write 45 equals to 3 into 3 into 5. Second main, write the first 5 multiples of the following numbers. Question number A, 17. So you have to find out the first 5 multiples. What you will do? Take the number, multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get the product, and those products also will be the multiples of that number. Yes. So here 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 3s are 51, 17 4s are 68, 17 5s are 85. So 17, 34, 51, 68 and 85 are the first 5 multiples of 17. Next question, question number B, it is 23. You have to find out the first 5 multiples. As you have done the previous sum, I hope the same way you have done this sum also. So 23 1s are 23, 23 2s are 46, 23 3s are 69, 23 4s are 92, 23 5s are 115. Here, one thing I want to tell you, when you are getting a little bit bigger number and you have to multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or some other numbers, and you have to find out the product because you are finding multiples. If you find difficulty to find out the product by your mental math, what you will do? You will use your working column. You will do the multiplication there and write down the product in your proper place where you are working out the sum. Okay, so here it is 23. So if you multiply 23 into 492, if you find difficult, you can do your multiplication in the working column and write it off here. Okay, you can do for any numbers if you have any problem. So finally the answer is first 5 multiples of 23 are 23, 46, 69, 92 and 115. Next question, it is 9. It is very easy. So the first 5 multiples of 9. How we will do? 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. So the first 5 multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Here in these sums, I have given first 5 multiples. It can be given any number of multiples. You will multiply the number along with how many multiples are there. It may be 6. Then you have to multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So how many multiples will be asked and that many you have to find out. I hope you all can do this kind of sums very easily. Third main, complete the factor tree by writing the missing numbers. So here the number was 36. From 36 2 arrows, you can see down of one arrow it was 4. But other place was empty. So you have to think of a pair of factors where one of the factor is 4 and the other one will be 4 9s are. So it will be 9. Yes. So 9, the empty places I have written in red. Now this 9 also will be broken into pair of factors. One has been given as 3. The other one will be also 3 because 3 3s are 9. Now this 4 will be broken down into a pair of factors. So it will be 2 2s are. So the empty places, I hope you all have filled with right numbers. In our last class, we have discussed about multiples. So let's have a quick recap of multiples. What do you mean by multiple? Can you remember? Multiple is the product result of one number multiplied by another number. Yes, if you take two numbers, multiply them, the product will be called as the multiple. Yes, and we have discussed about the properties also. So what are the properties? The first property I told, every number is a multiple of itself. Point number 2, every number is a multiple of 1. Point number 3, multiples are greater than or equal to the number. Point number 4, there can be infinite number of multiples. Now work out this sum with me. Underline the multiples of 7 in the following numbers. You can write down the heading and then copy these numbers. Here it is 7, 13, 14, 21, 22, 35, 36, 42 and 45. So how we will do? You have to find out the multiples of 7, yes? check the numbers and try to find out. How you will check? To find out the multiples of 7, you think of the multiplication table of 7 itself, where you are getting these numbers as product. You know 7 ones are 7, you know 7 twos are 14, you know 7 threes are 21, you know 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, and then 7 nines are 63. But till how much you have to count? You check the numbers are starting from 7 and it is ended up in 45. So in your working column, you just write down the multiplication table of 7 till you get 45 or nearby 45. Okay, we may not get 45 also, because we know 7 6 are 42, 7 sevens are 49. So maximum you can write 7 sevens are. So please work in your working column the table of 7. Find out those numbers which are written here in the question. Here you can see I have written the multiplication table of 7 till 49, because the numbers are here in the question till 45. That's why I have taken till 49. Now look at the question. 7 ones are how much? 7. It is there in your question. I have underlined. 7 twos are 14. I have underlined. Now 7 threes are 21. Yes, it is also available. Now 22 is not there in the table of 7. Now go for 7 fours are 28. It is not there in the question. Now 7 fives are 35. Yes, it is there. So underline please. Now go for 7 6 are 42. 36 is not there in the table 7. So we will underline 42. Now 7 sevens are, it is coming 49. 45 is not there in the table of 7. So the numbers 7, 14, 21, 35 and 42 are the numbers here which are multiples of 7. So you can write down the answers also. Look at the next question. Write the multiples of 15 between the numbers 50 and 100. So what you have to do here? You have to find out the multiples of 15 who are in between 50 and 100. So in the working column, you find out the multiples of 15 first. Then we will check who are in between 50 and 100. Okay. So please try, work out with me. Here you can see I have written the multiples of 15. So 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105. I have written till 15 sevens are because 15 sevens are is 105. I cannot take multiples beyond 100 or more than 100. So I have written till 105. Now I have to find out that who are in between 50 and 100. Okay. So here you can see 15 threes are 45. We cannot take because we have to start from 50. Yes. So 15 fours are 60. We can take. 15 fives are 75. We can take. 15 sixes are 90. We can take. But we cannot take 15 sevens are 105. Okay. So underline those products. So 60, then 75, then 90. You can write out the final answer that it is 60, 75 and 90 are the multiples who are in between 50 and 100. Let's do an activity. As I will instruct, you will follow me and you will work in your notebook. The first thing you have to do, draw 3 columns. And the heading of the columns I have given here. First heading, it will be number. Heading for the next column will be multiples of 3. And heading for the last column, it will be factors of 36. So please use your scale and pencil, draw the columns and fill it with your pen, the headings. I hope you have drawn already. Now what you have to do, I will give you one number, okay? And then looking at the number, you have to check whether the number is a multiple of 3. If it is a multiple of 3, you will write in this column yes. If it is not, you will write no. Same the way you will check the number is a factor of 36 or not. If it is a factor of 36, you will write here yes. Otherwise, you will write it no. Okay. So let's start. Here you can see I have given you one number as 6. So please check it whether it's a multiple of 3 or not. If you go for table 3, you will check the multiples. Means 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 3 twos are 6. You are getting 6 as a multiple of 3. So what should you write here? You will write yes. Okay. Now check that is 6 a factor of 36? If you find out all the factors of 36, then it will be very much easier to tell whether 6 is a factor of 36 or not. If you want to factorize 36 in your working column, you can do it. So please do it and find out all the factors of 36 and check whether 6 is there or not. Now for 6 I am helping you. Yes, 6 is a factor of 36. So what we will write there? We will write yes. Hope you have understood. Now the next number you will try by yourself. Here I have given the number as 10. Now check whether it's a multiple of 3 or not. If you go the multiplication table of 3, try to get the number 10. If it is yes, write yes, otherwise no. I hope everybody can tell very easily because 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 10 is not a multiple of 3. So we'll write here no. Now check whether 10 is a factor of 36 or not, because you have already worked out all the factors of 36. Have you got 10 as a factor of 36? If you have checked, there is no factor like 10. Okay, so we'll write here no. Now I am giving you one more number. It is 17. So 17, if it is a multiple of 3, you have to write yes, otherwise no. So if you go for table 3, check. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. So there is no multiple like 17. So we'll write here no. And check the last column whether it's a factor of 36 or not. The factors of 36, if you found, there is no 17. So we'll write it here no. Okay. Now take one more number, 4. Please do it. I hope this is a small number, you have done it already. Is 4 a multiple of 3? No. Is 4 a factor of 36? Yes. 4 9s are 36. So 4 is a factor of 36. I hope you are enjoying. I have supplied one more number, 21. So try. Is 21 a multiple of 3? What you are feeling? So you got it already? Yes, it's a multiple of 3 because 3 sevens are 21. And factors of 36? No, there is no factor like 21. Okay. So here in this activity, I have supplied few numbers. You checked that number is a multiple of 3 or factors of 36. I hope you have enjoyed. Here you can check all the factors of 36. In the previous activity, we have used or we have checked whether the number is a factor of 36 or not. So here you can see 1 36 are 36, 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 6 6 are 36. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 will take one time, then 9, 12, 18 and 36. In this lesson, you have learned factors, prime numbers, composite numbers, factor tree, and finally multiples. So now we will work out few sums where you have to recollect all those things and find out the solution. Okay, so let's start. Look at the question here. You can copy the question also. Which of the following numbers are prime numbers? The numbers are given here 16, 11, 15, 27, 23 and 2. Can you remember what are prime numbers? The numbers which are having factors as 1 and the number itself. Then only that number will be called as prime number. Okay, so let's check. Start with 16. So if you factorize 16, you will get the factors. How? Like 1 16s are 16, 2 8s are 16, and 4 4s are 16. So many factors are there. So it's not a prime number, it's a composite number. For 11, it is 1 11s are 11, that's all. So it's a prime number. 15, 1 15s are 15, 3 5s are 15. So there is also so many factors. For 27, 1 27s are 27, 3 9s are 27. So it is having also more than 1 and the number itself. So it is also a composite number. For 23, 1 23s are 23. That's also it's a prime number. For 2, 1 2s are 2. That's also it's also a prime number. So what are the numbers you got prime? You please underline those numbers. So 11 you got, now 23, and finally you got 2. For these three numbers, you just factorize in your working column. So here you can see 11 equals to 1 11 is 11. For 23, 1 23 is 23. For 2, 1 2 is 2. So these are the numbers here, 11, 23 and 2 are prime numbers. So you can write the final answer also. Look at the next main. Find the missing factors. Copy the heading and start working out with me. Question number 1. 7 into dash equals to 56. So you have to fill this blank space. You know the multiplication table of 7. So 7 8s are 56. So 7 and 8 both are factors of 56. Yes. So question number 1 I helped you. You will carry on the second one by yourself. Dash into 3 equals to 24. Check with table 3. How much it will be? Yes, it is 8. So 8 3s are 24. Next one, try 8 into dash equals to 72. Go for table 8. I know you all can do. So it is 8 9s are. Yes. Go for the fourth one. 5 into dash equals to 30. So 5 6s are 30. Now fifth one. Dash into 6 equals to 72. So 12 6s are 72. I hope you all have done with me. Look at the next question. Find which of the following numbers are factors of 24. So numbers are given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. So how will you do it? First you find out all the factors of 24. In your working column, please try to find out the factors of 24. So if you factorize 24, what you will get? 1 24s, 2 12s, 3 8s, 4 6s. Okay, please write it. Here I have written, you can check it. Now you underline the factors, what you are getting here. So 1 is there, then 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is not there, then 6 is there, after that 8, you are getting 8, after that 12, then you are getting 24. Okay, so write down the final answer then. What are those? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Write down the factor tree for the following number. The number given here is 45. You have to draw the factor tree for 45. Yes? So what you have to do? Write down 45. Now you can factorize 45 in different ways. You have done factor trees. So here I want to give you one restriction, that when you are choosing a pair of factors, you choose one of the factor as 9 and then factorize it. I hope you are clear. So you will factorize 45. You will draw the factor tree for 45 taking one of the factor as 9. Please try it. So what do you have to do first? Yes, you have to draw 2 arrows. So if you take 9 as one of the factor, what will be the other one then? 9 5s are. Yes. So one end of the arrow you please write 5 and the other one will be 9. You understood my point? Okay. So 5 is a prime number. Now 9 is a composite number. So you can break down 9. So please do it. So from 9, take 2 arrows down, and down the arrow, what you should write? 3 3 is a 9. I know you all are doing with me. So your factor tree is over. So here 3, 3 and 5 all are in prime numbers. So your factor tree is over. If you multiply 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So you can understand that your sum is correct. Let's work out a puzzle. Look at the question here. I am a multiple of 13. I have 2 digits. I am odd and also a multiple of 5. Who am I? I am repeating the question one more time. Just listen carefully. I am a multiple of 13. I have 2 digits. I am odd and also a multiple of 5. So there are few clues. First clue, it's a multiple of 13. Okay. I have 2 digits. So the number is having 2 digits. I am odd. it's an odd number and also a multiple of 5, and the number is also a multiple of 5. Who am I? So can you tell me what is the easiest way to reach to the number? What do you think? The first statement is the easiest clue, I feel so. I am a multiple of 13. So if you think table 13 and then follow these conditions, easily you will get the number. So the first thing you will do, just write down the multiplication table of 13. Then slowly check the clues what is given here. Okay. I have 2 digits. So write down the multiplication table of 13 till you get 2 digits. Okay. So let's start. So we'll get 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 sixes are 78. 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. So 13 eights are, it's a 3-digit number 104. So we can take till 13 sevens are 91. So from 13 till 91, you please check where all the conditions are fulfilling. I have 2-digit numbers. Okay, fine. I am odd. So who are odd here? 13, 39, 65 and 91. Also a multiple of 5. 13 is not a multiple of 5. 39 is not a multiple of 5. 65, yes. 13 fives are 65. So 13 fives are 65. Yes, it's a multiple of 5. So we need not to check other options. So we can find out the number is 65. Yes. So the number is 65. You can write down the answer. I hope you have understood. Look at the assignment here. First main, solve. Question number 1. Circle the multiples of 12 in the following numbers. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. So the numbers are given here. You have to find out which are the multiples of 12. Question number 2. Write the multiples of 2 between the numbers 50 and 60. So from 50 and 60, what are the numbers are there? So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59. So from 51 to 59, which are the multiples of 2? You have to find out. Question number 3. Write the prime numbers between 20 to 40. So please write down the numbers from 20 to 40. Then find out who are the primes there. Okay. Second main, which of the following statements are true or false? Number 1. The smallest factor of 25 is 1. So find out the factors of 25 and check which is the smallest one. Then you will write it is true or false. Every multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number. Just think the statement and you find out the answer. A composite number has at least 3 factors. The definition of composite number will help you to get the answer for this one. 1 is a factor of every number. If you go through the properties of factor, it will help you. The first perfect number is 28. We already discussed. So I hope you all can do all this. Thank you.